Alright guys, today I'm talking about current environmental issues. Due to the current state of the planet, the path to extinction of the human species is looking more and more evident each day. Pollution and global warming are the most well-known causes of distress in the Earth's environment. Different things like overpopulation, genetic engineering, and oceanic acidification are also very important problems that many people tend to not know about. While pollution and global warming are a cause for the breakdown of the Earth's ozone layer and are very imperative issues in today's society, many people only know about these mainstream issues. When you scroll through your Instagram or Twitter accounts, usually every day you'll see something demanding people to help clean and sacrifice their time to, clean pollution out of the ocean. While pollution is a large issue, it seems to be the only issue that people are aware of. There are more environmental problems than pollution. There are more animals that need to be saved rather than turtles and whales. And there are much more issues going on under the radar that most people don't realize. So point A is overpopulation. So the population of the planet is so large that it's leading to shortages in food, water, and fossil fuels. Our planet, which has been able to sustain life for millions upon millions of years, is on its heels due to the amount of people in the world. The metaphorical explosion of population in less developed and third world countries are causing an even larger strain on the very limited and super important national resources the Earth produces. Point B is genetic engineering. To attempt to cope with a growing population, scientists have come up with a plan to solve food shortage issues. Their plan is a method called genetic engineering, which is the modification of food by the method of biotechnology. While it does provide the world with the largest supply of food, there are also many dangers that come with using it. Things like, them utilizing harmful chemicals, which can be dangerous to the plants. Not only can it be dangerous to the plants, but it can be dangerous to the animals which eat the plants. And the genetic modification of food also has the potential to make people immune to certain antibiotics due to the fertilizer that's sprayed on them. And point C, which is the last issue that people really don't know about or care to know about, is oceanic acidification. So it's another large issue that the environment is facing. That is when carbon dioxide has a direct impact with the ocean. In recent studies dating back from 2002 to 2011, scientists have calculated that 26% of all the carbon released as carbon dioxide was absorbed by the ocean. This carbon dioxide has been caused by the manufacturing of large cement structures, different types of land usage, and the burning of fossil fuels. One interesting thing that I learned throughout my research was the way all these points intertwined. So the population of the Earth leads to fossil fuels being burned and more buildings having to be constructed, therefore leading to more resources being used. Those resources being used then leads to acidification in our oceans. When you have a large population, resources get used faster, which leads to scientists formulating ways to improvise, adapt, and try to overcome the obstacles. Henceforth, genetic engineering is brought to the plate. Once genetic engineering is in place, it leads to more issues in the environment and causes toxins and chemicals to seep into our runoff water and potentially injure humans and the other animals in the ecosystems. So in order to better the environment and ensure life for further generations, there has to be a change. The first question you have to ask yourself is, what can you do to help?